you ready to eat some sweet potato? Are you? Okay, let's put the sippy cup down. You ready to try a little bit? Okay, you ready? Move the cup. Move the cup. How's that? Is that good? You want some more? That's good. That's good. Okay, let's put this down. Let's put that over there. You ready? Here's some more. There you go. Now lick your lips, because you got it all over your lips. Okay, hang on, hang on. It's coming. Good job. Good job. All right, let's have a little bit of water. You got it? You gotta get it in your mouth, silly. Okay. Never mind. A little bit more. A little bit more. Ready? Good job, Joaquin. Some more. Here's some more. There you go. After sweet potatoes, you get to try bananas. It's such a weird noise. You're gonna have to lose that habit. You will. Good job. Okay, say goodbye.